And probably this ice machine is frozen up and you literally can't get it to run at all. When you press this button in up here on the freezer side door, while it's open, and at the same time reach around and press the ice button on the left, this should rotate. If you hear it bind, it will run for about 6-7 seconds, then shut off, because the thermal shuts off from not being able to turn, so it binds. But it's a safety feature. So that's one of them. So what you do is you take hot water and you pour it in here and you put a pan underneath the door to catch all the water. And you do that 3 or 4 times, and then you keep trying the motor, and the motor is actually going to do the work for you. But you're going to stick a screwdriver in there and get out all the small pieces of ice, because it's really, at a real low temperature, that just binds up and gets water in there, and it gets bad. So the other part is the fact that this will not come out and it's stuck. That is because this piece, which is where it turns, and that piece gets rusty. And there's not a whole lot you're going to be able to do except for just worrying it out. And hopefully you won't break it. And then you throw a little oil in there, and that'll probably never happen again. Okay? Little tip that will make your wife really happy.